Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can link Stripe to Shopify. So unfortunately, you cannot link Stripe to Shopify. So I'm gonna try to show it to you guys. So in here, I'm just gonna go to settings. So if I try to tap on the payments, you will see here all the payment methods that you can use on the Shopify payments. So if I tap on add payment method here, and search for Stripe. As you can see, there is no results found, but it usually depends on which region or which country you're in. So if Stripe is not available in your country, then you cannot do something about it. So you can just use all these payment method, which is the Visa, MasterCard, Amex, and all these payments. So that's pretty much it. It's very quick and easy. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.